Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make the most delicious cheesiest mac and cheese. These are my ingredients and they will be listed in the description box below along with step-by-step instructions. To make our roux, I did add some butter, flour to my pan and whisk that well until there is no grain within the flour. Now I'll go in with my milk a little at a time and continue to whisk so that we can prevent any lump from forming. Continue to whisk until the sauce becomes nice and smooth. Now to flavor this, we will add some garlic powder, onion powder, and some paprika. We also did add some chicken bouillon. Now we will add some Sharpe cheddar cheese, and that is 2 cups of Sharpe cheddar, a little bit at a time, and continue to whisk. 1.5 cup of Velveeta shredded, and my parmesan. This cheese, guys, is my Beachwood smoked cheddar. This gives your macaroni a slight smoky flavor. It is super delicious. Take your mac and cheese to a whole other level. Be adding some black pepper, and there you have it, guys, our creamy, cheesiest mac and cheese. We'll go ahead and pour that over our macaroni. Make sure everything is coated well and mixed thoroughly. Look at that, just pure deliciousness. We'll add half of the amount in our Pirates dish. Then I'll add a little bit more of my Beachwood smoked cheddar. I'll add the rest of my mac and cheese mixture. Then I will top it off with the smoky Beachwood cheddar cheese. This actually gives it a nice crust on the top. All the melted cheese. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. And then we'll bake that in a 350 degrees oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until the top looks like that, nice and brown, and the bottom is nice and gooey and cheesy and creamy. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Much appreciated. If you're already here, thank you so much for watching. Please comment. If you tried this recipe, let me know how yours turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.